जीवन हमें एक मौका देता है, इसलिए जब भी सही कॉलेज चुनने का समय आए तो सिर्फ मंगलायतन यूनिवर्सिटी आपके बेहतरीन भविष्य और सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए।
एक पुराने जमाने का गाना याद आता है सर, अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का, यार ने ही लूट लिया घर यार का।
Supplementary number 1, Shri Raghav Chadha.
Sir, India has offered its unflinching loyalty and undying friendship to the US. We have done everything possible to promote and protect the interest of the US and US companies in India. In fact, last week, the Honorable Finance Minister moved an amendment in the Finance Act and removed Google tax, which was an equalization levy of 6% on US companies like Meta, like Amazon, Google, etc., which has caused us a loss of about 3,000 crores. All this was done in order to woo the US administration.
Supplementary.
But despite, sir, I'm just setting the context.
But you have allowed others.
Despite this morning, the Trump administration has levied a 26% Trump tariff on Indian goods, which is likely to wreck the Indian economy, hit us by 50 to 100 basis points in terms of GDP loss, and we will lose our competitive advantage in the global market, particularly ensuring that the doors of the US market are closed for India. एक पुराने जमाने का गाना याद आता है सर, अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का, यार ने ही लूट लिया घर यार का. It is in this context that I would like to ask the Honorable Minister through you, sir. It is in this context that I would like to ask the Honorable Minister through you that should we not withhold the requisite approvals for Elon Musk's Starlink, who is a very visible part of the US administration, and use that as a bargaining chip to renegotiate these Trump tariffs?
Supplementary number 2, Raghav Chadha.
So 3 very worrying incidents have happened in the recent past. First is that Elon Musk on his platform X threatened the Ukrainian government, saying that my Starlink system is the backbone of the Ukrainian army and the entire front line would collapse if I turn it off. I'm setting the context.
Mr. Raghav Chadha, 1 second.
I have to highlight 3 issues.
One second.
You have to permit me to...
No. Honorable member.
Please let me finish.
I think I will have to give a different nomenclature to my dear friend Jairam Ramesh, being savior of everyone, beyond his party also. Jairam ji, Raghav Chadha is effectively energized to handle his affairs and does not need such kind of support even on parliamentary platform. Raghav ji,
above all, I need your support and your patronage, sir. I need your protection.
This morning you raised a 267 in absentia.
Yes.
I did not reveal this subject to the House. Let me do it now.
Please do, sir.
You are very severely obsessed with this issue of what Trump is doing or someone else is doing. The minister has categorically stated, ask your second supplementary, which is little Indianized.
Sir, I am severely obsessed with anything that hurts the Indian interest and particularly the Indian economic interest, and that is what brings me to this House, and I will continue to passionately raise every issue that hurts my country.
Please raise it.
Sir, my question, if you would have heard my question, you would have understood that it is only and only about India. The second worrying incident after Elon Musk's threat to the Ukrainian army, which I wanted to raise, was that about 4 months ago, there was a big drug burst in Andaman where about 6,000 kgs of synthetic drugs were recovered, and it was discovered that a Myanmar-based smuggler was using Starlink satellite internet for navigation. When the Indian government, sir, let me finish, when the Indian government sought the ownership of the devices and the usage of its device, Starlink refused the Indian government, saying we will not provide you with this data, citing some data privacy laws. My question through you to the Honorable Minister is that what is the government's plan to address such resistance from Starlink, and how are we going to address this issue of potential misuse of satellite internet spectrum that we are likely to give, particularly Starlink?